Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This vehicle has a white exterior with a black interior. Huge panoramic sunroof there. And of course the 4x4 trail rated badging, Cherokee badging, currently equipped with all-terrain tires as well. Coming around to the back, Jeep 4x4 and Trailhawk badging again. And a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here for you. And of course those rear seats can fold down if you need even more storage. Now, taking a look at the interior of the vehicle, you will find this red stitching throughout. Really sharp look. As well as this dark wood grain trim. Leather seats. You can see the rear seats here. And then again that panoramic sunroof. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And here's the driver door controls. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Trailhawk stitching here. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. So we do have a push button ignition. And this vehicle is currently at 90,295 for miles. Alright, and here's our Jeep touchscreen. So while that's being activated, go ahead and take a look at our climate control here. Shifter. You can see various modes here for the different terrain you might be driving on. And navigation system here. Radio. And backup camera. And center console storage. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.